Hey everyone, let's start with an amazing question. Let's start with an different question that is question number 128 and title is longest consecutive sequence. So first we need to understand what the problem is saying, what the problem is about and what we are doing to going to solve this problem. Let's read the problem statement first. Like what we have given an unsorted array of integers nums, with the name of nums we have given an array, and the array contain the unsorted numbers. And what is our main task? So we have to return the length of consecutive longest consecutive element sequence. So simple, we just need to return the longest consecutive element sequence that are given from our in our unsorted array. But the main thing we need to focus is the time complexity that mentioned here. Here the time complexity is big of n, so we must focus on the algorithm that we use that reduce our time complexity. Let's understand the example. We have nums is equal to 100, 4, 200, 132. So our task is to return longest consecutive elements. So here 100, 4, 200, they are this is unsorted array. We can solve it with the sorting approach, sorting algorithm, or we can by using sorting algorithm, the time complexity will become big of n log n. So here the questions requirement is not fulfilling, so we will go with the another solution, like we just divide our unsorted array into convert this array into set, and then the set will is the method that justify that we have array and we don't have any duplicated ones, and then we divide our array into the sub arrays, 1 2 3 4 is the longest sequence, then 100 and 200 have is the one length. So here the 4 is returning because 1 2 3 4 is the longest sequence, so this is showing the output. Here we rearrange the number, here we set that it is returning the output 9 because when 0 will come at this. So when we use here the set methods, so the 0 duplicated ones will get this 1 0, so the length of this will be 9 because this is all contain the number between that. So let's move towards the code. Here we said that we use the set method that on the nums. It simply just pick those numbers that are not duplicates, and here we set the longest is equal to 0 because when we get our numbers that are coming consecutively, so we store our its length into our longest variable. So here we are checking the numbers from our initial array, yeah, we are just keep tracking of our longest consecutive sequence is initially. So and here we are checking if the numbers don't have a left numbers, like we have created an array, here we said that 1 2 3 4 one sequence, then 100 one sequence, and 200 one sequence, because there is too much gap between that number, so we divide the array in that form. And here we are checking, one will come at this. So here one don't have any left number, and then 100 after the gap don't have any left number, and 200 don't have any left number. So here n minus 1 means left numbers in the num set, and then we check that length is equal to 0, and then we are initializing our while loop that n plus length, that initial numbers where we are lying in the num set, increase the length of that number, and we set the longest, that maximum of that length where we are lying, that it will increase our length, and the longest will increase, and at the end it will return the longest. So here we move towards the python in interpreter, and we check that nums is given, and with that after setting the set, here it is showing. So yeah, this is for all today. Thank you.